Hello everyone, this video is going to talk about how you could create an assignment in PowerTeacher Pro. So when you enter PowerTeacher Pro, first thing you want to do is select the subject or the period that you're teaching in. So when you click on the top here, you could select any from your list. Right now I'm playing, this is a fake account, so it obviously doesn't look like what you generally see. So if I click on something, it will take me right to either the period or the subject. And at this point, we're going to hit the Create button located in the top right and choose Assignment. Here, you could select if you wanted this assignment to apply to one subject or multiple. So if I am working in a middle school, I could click on other classes, and what will happen is if I create this assignment, it will show up in all of my periods as opposed to just one. If I'm in an elementary school, I don't need to do that. So I'm going to click on this arrow just to collapse it. Now I am going to give my assignment a name. I'm going to choose a category that best fits what that assignment's about. And you notice that sometimes when you click on a category, it will change the point value. So these are a great way to auto set certain categories for you for teaching. You do not need to use that point value. You could always override it by just putting whatever points you want in here. Check in final grade. You could uncheck this if this is an assignment that you want something turned in but not to count against the student's grade. Due date, you could select the date in which it's actually due. If this is a middle school class, you could also have this selected for all of your periods, and then you could actually differentiate the different dates on which this is due. So each period could have a different due date based off your discretion, or just a single due date, which is fine. If I go to the student tab, you can actually add and remove students based off of if you're grading this. So which is nice is that if I do add or remove some students, that will allow me to only give some students this grade and other students it won't count against them for exempting grades. Standards is here, but I'm not going to focus too much on it because this is a conversation we need to have later on when it comes to standard-based reporting. And publish, this is just allowing you to be able to actually publish it to our parent and student portal so they can see their grades. So at this point, I'm just going to press the green save button. It is now saved, but this window didn't disappear, so I'm just going to press the little X, and we should be ready to grade. Now, I should be able to see my assignment that's built in here, and you could flip through and sort this however you want to be able to find that assignment. Another neat thing is you can even type, if I could type the name of the assignment here, click on it, and away you go. A different video I'll talk about more about scoring, but that's a good start for where we're at right now.